Oh, it's alright. I'm vegetarian.
No, it's just some
Check this out. This is some seriously beautiful stuff here going on. Look, there's a bee pollinating off a beautiful weed plant here. Excellent species of weed plant. You've got the bumblebee in action doing its thing. There's another one here, opted to work on this one. There's another one over there, opted to work on that one. Whole load of them here. Look at that. Look at this, mate. This is some seriously good stuff, look. Now this is what you call a weed plant. You've got the bumblebee on it.